In front of me is Oppo Pad Air, and today I would like to show you how you can resize icons on this tablet. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings and tapping on Wallpaper and Style. Following that, select Icons section and swipe left or right on this icon slider in order to adjust them. You can check out preview above. When you're ready to save your changes, click on Apply. So when I do that, as you can see, size of my icons has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!